In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on display and brightness. Now scroll again, this time to click on screen refresh rate. And finally apply any of those by tapping on the best one for you. Dynamic, high or standard. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!